Hello students, welcome in today's math session. In the previous lecture we have discussed about exercise 1.2 and we have calculated 5 questions here. That was related to addition and subtraction. Now today we will see about the multiplication and division. So let's start today's question. Question number 6 here. Let's see what is the question here. A machine on an average manufactures 2825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So let's see what is the question here. One machine is there. On an average it manufactures 2825 screws a day. Means in a day it is producing 2825 screws. So how many screws did it produce in the month of January? Now you all know in a January total 31 days are there. In a January month 31 days are there. It means we have to multiply 2825 by 31. So we'll get the number of screws it produced in the month of January 2006. So let's see the calculation here. (2825) screws. It is producing 2825 screws in a day. So in the 31 days how many it produced? It means we have to multiply by 31. First we will take multiplication in a ones digit 1 with all the digits in above. So let's see. First 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 3 is 1 8 is 8, and then 1 2 is again 2. So the same number will come because we are multiplying by only one time. Now next one, 3's position. Now we have to multiply by 3, but before that first we have to put the 0 because the place value of 3 is tens. So we have to put the 0 and then we have to start the multiplication. First 3 5 is 15. It means 5 will come down, 1 carry forward. 3 2 is 6 and plus 1 7. 3 8 is 24. 4 will come down, 2 we have to carry forward. And last 3 2 is 6 plus 2 means 8. So we will do the addition here now of both these numbers. So we will get the number of screws. 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 5 means 7, 8 plus 7 means 15. So 1 carry forward here. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, and then comes 8 as it is. So we get the 5-digit numbers. So according to the place value we have to manage here. So we will put the comma after 87. So we will get here 87,575. This is the answer. So how many screws did it produce in the month of January? 87,575 screws it produced in the month of January. January 2006. So this is our answer. Now we are moving to the next question. Let's see what is the next question here. First Question number 7. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radios sets at rupees 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So what is the question here? Once again, a merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. This much rupees a merchant having. Okay. Now she placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. Now merchant is a lady. She is giving an order for purchasing 40 radio sets. How many radio sets? 40 radio sets at rupees 1200 each. Each radio cost rupees 1200. Okay. Price of one radio set is 1200. That kind of 40 radio sets she is ordering. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So after purchasing 40 radio sets, how many rupees will remain with her? That we have to find. So first you see here, we have to find cost of 40 radio sets. We get the cost of 40 radio sets. That amount we will subtract from the total rupees, and then we will get the how many rupees is remaining. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so first, cost of one radio. Cost of one radio set is equal to how many rupees? 1200. This is the cost of one radio set. So cost of 40 radio set is equal to, first, how much that we have to find. It means 40 radio means we have to multiply this 1200 into 40 times. Clear? So we'll get the cost of 40 radios. So when we multiply 1200 into 40, we get the answer as rupees 48,000. How? Let's see here. 1200 is there, multiply by 4040. Okay, now you all have learned, whenever 0 is there in units, that you only just put that 0. Okay, and now only you have to multiply by 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are again 0, 4 twos are 8, 4 ones are 4. That is why our answer is here rupees 48,000. This is the cost of 4 radio sets. Now, what is our question? How much money is remaining after the purchase of this 40 radio sets? So we got the amount of 40 radio sets. Okay. Now we will subtract this number from the amount which she is having in the beginning. So let's see what is the amount she is having in the beginning. That is rupees 78,592. This much she is having. Now from this we have to subtract 48,000. Okay, so we'll get the money remaining. 2 minus 0 is possible, 2 only will come. Okay, 9 minus 0 means 9 only, 5 minus 0, 5 only. Now 8 minus 8, 0, 7 minus 4, 3. Okay, so how many rupees remaining after purchasing 40 radio sets? Rupees 30,592. This much amount is remaining. Okay, clear this question everyone? So we can move now ahead. The next question. After that, next question is same, it is as we have done here, multiplication only. So just we are not doing that, it is same, just see what is there and then we are moving the next question. Okay, in that what is there, question number 7, merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. Rupees 78,592 with her. She placed, that we have already done. Question number 8, student multiplied 7,236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. Okay, one student has to multiply 7,236 by 65, but he has multiplied by 56, means he has done wrong. So by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? So after doing multiplication, 65 is greater than 56, no? So he will get the greater answer. So how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? That we have to do. So first we have to multiply by 65, then we have to multiply by 56, and then we have to subtract from the bigger. Okay, so it is same as above what we have done, multiplication and the subtraction is there. Okay, so now we are moving to the next one. Okay, next question is question number 9. Let's see what is there in question number 9. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter and 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how much cloth will remain? Okay, and here hint is given, convert data in centimeter. So let us see once again what is the question here. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter and 15 centimeter cloth is needed. How much cloth is required? 2 meter and 15 centimeter. Now out of 40 meter cloth, if we are having 40 meter of cloth, then how many shirts can be stitched of this 2 meter and 15 centimeter, and how much is remaining? That we have to find. Clear everyone the question? Now here convert data in centimeter is given first. It means we have to convert this both in a centimeter and it will be easy. Okay, so first we are converting this data. Here 2 meter 15 centimeter is given. So if you want to convert in a centimeter, how we will convert this? 2 meter means 200. If you have watched the previous video, then you will come to know that 2 meter means 200 centimeter. Okay, I am explaining how it is coming. Let's see here, then you will understand here. Cloth for one shirt. Is how much? 2 meter and 15 centimeter is there. So first we will convert totally into cent. 2 meter means 1 meter means how much? 100 centimeter. Clear? So 2 meter means 200 centimeter. 2 times we will multiply, so we will get the answer 200 centimeter. Okay, so instead of 2 meter, here we will write 200 centimeter, and the 15 is already in a centimeter, so that we have to only put the addition sign and then we have to write here 15 centimeter. So we will get the answer as 215 centimeter. This we have converted. Okay, the cloth for one shirt for stitching is how much? 215 centimeters. Now again, what was the question was there? Let's see once again. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched out of 40 meters? So this 40 meters also we have to convert first. Okay, so we are converting this 40 meter length of cloth which we are having. Its length is 40 meter. So as we have just done, 1 meter means 100, 2 meter means 200. So 40 meter means 40 into 100 we have to calculate now. Okay, so when we do 40 into 100, what we will get? 40 into 100 is equal to 4000 centimeter. Okay, how we will remember? Just see here, whenever this kind of number comes, at that time what you have to do? You have to just multiply the numbers except 0, means 4 and 1. 4 ones are 4, and total how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. That 0 we have to put after that 4. So we will get the answer 4000 centimeter. So now we are having perfect. Cloth of one shirt is 215 centimeter, and the cloth which we are having, that is 4000 centimeters. So we have to now make 215 centimeters shirts. 215 meters wala shirts banana hai. Okay, so how many shirts can be prepared from 4000 centimeters? It means what we have to do? We have to divide. From 4000 divide by 215 we will do. We will get the number of shirts. How will get the number of shirts here? Number of shirts is equal to 4000, okay, divide by 250. 250 makes one shirt. So I will divide this 4000 by 250. So we will get the number of shirts here. Okay, so I am doing here division process. Let's see. (4,000) divided by 215. Now 215 is a 3-digit number, so we have to only take first 3 digit. How many 215s are 400? That we have to find. Now 215 table we don't know, so we have to just assume by doing a multiplication, and we have to find 400 or less than 400. So let's see here. 215, we are doing 215 multiply by 8. 8 5 are 40. 4 will come up. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 4 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. Okay, now 8 2s are 16 plus 1 17. So 1700, sorry, here we get the answer 1720, but we require here 215, so that is much more. Okay, we'll come back. We require 400 here. I have taken 8. So this way you can identify what we have to do. So we will come back here. What we have to do? We required 400. We can assume that. Let's see it 2 times. It is possible. 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. 2 2s are 4. Again 430 is coming. That is also more. It means we have to take only 1 times. This is the way you have to assume. Okay. So it means we have to do one time. 215 ones are we will do 215 ones are 250. Okay. Now we will do subtract. 0 minus 5 is not possible, and in tens place also 0. So you cut this 4, it becomes 3. First 0 becomes 9, and this one becomes 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 1, 8, and 3 minus 2, 1. Now this 0 comes down. Here is a 3-digit number, here also 3. But 185 is less than 250, no? That is why we have to take the next 0 down here. Now it becomes 1850. So if you remember, just now only we have done 215 by 8. At that time we got 1720. Let's see once again. 215 multiplied by 8. 8 5s are 40. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 12. 8 2s are 16 plus 1 70. We require 1850, and here it is coming 1720, which is less. Okay. So we will try 9s. Let's see what is coming 9s. If we are trying here 250 multiplied by 9. 9 5s are 45. 9 1s are 9 plus 4 13. 9 2s are 16 plus 1 70. It means 1735. Sorry, 9 is the 1 here 9 will come. 9 2s are 18 plus 1 90. So 1935, that is more. So we cannot take this one, so we have to take this 8s. What comes that we have to write 1720. Now we will subtract here this 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 2 3, 8 minus 7 1, 1 minus 1 0. It means 130 centimeter cloth is remaining, or you can say 130 means how much? 1 meter 30 centimeter. This much cloth is remaining. And how many shirts can be prepared? 18 shirts. 18 shirts. Okay, so 18 shirts can be prepared, and 130 means 1 meter and 30 centimeter cloth is remaining. Okay, so I hope you understood this question. Let's move ahead. Okay, now 10th and 11th is of just like what we have done. It is there. Okay, it is same as above what we have calculated. Here also you can see number is given 4 kg and 500, and here so it is of weight. Okay, what is the question? Medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg and 500. Medicine is packed in a boxes में पैक किया जा रहा है, each weighing 4 kg and 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kilogram? So how many this kind of boxes can be carried? Okay, but don't we have to just put in between 800 kg. So here also first we have to convert. We all have learned thousands gram makes 1 kilogram. So here also we have to convert, and then we have to divide to find the answer. Okay. Same way is happening in the 11th one also. What is there? The distance between the school and a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meter. Distance between a school and a house is this much. Every day she walks both ways. Both ways she is walking, going from school to home this much, and then again it is coming back from home to school this much. Okay, find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. So if is walking 6 days like this, we have to find its answer. It means you have to multiply there. First we have to find 1 kilometer 875 is one way. Both way means we will multiply by 2, we will get the answer, and that we have to multiply by 6, we will get the final answer. So it is also same what we have just done. Now just see the last one, and today we will complete our this exercise. A vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. One vessel is there. It has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it be filled? How much? 25 ml. So first of all, you should know how many liters make 1 milliliter. Yes, it is same like kilogram and gram. If you are watching the previous video, it is there. 4 liters means 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. Okay, here we have to convert. That is why I am saying we have to convert in a milliliter, so we can do it easily. Vessel has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd. So 1 liter means 1000 ml and 500. That we will do addition. Okay. How many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can be filled? From this we have to make the 25 ml capacity glasses. So how many glasses can be filled from this much of curd? So first of all, what we have to do? We have to convert this 4 liters 500 ml into milliliter, because here 1 glass's capacity is 25. So both units should be same. Then it is possible, otherwise not. So let's see the calculation here. So capacity of vessel is how much? It is 4 liter 500 milliliter. Okay, it means 4 liter means 4 into 1000. 1 liter means 1000. 2 liter means 2000. 4 liter means 4000 ml plus 500 is already in ml. So just like before, we will do addition. Is 500. Only we have to add. So we will get the answer here, 4500 ml. Okay. Now capacity of 1 glass. Let's see the capacity of 1 glass is what? Capacity of 1 glass is how much? Yes, 25 ml. So here, in order to find how many glass, 25 ml is there. So what we will do? We will divide 4500 by 25. So when you divide, you will get the answer as 180. As 180 ml. Okay. So you will get the capacity of 1 glass as 180 ml. It means 185. Each of 25 ml capacity will be filled, means how many glasses? 180 glasses can be filled. Okay. So here we have completed today our exercise 1.2. I hope you understand it. Thank you very much.